Hi everyone, it's Mo. Welcome back to my channel. For any new ones here, welcome. Happy to have you. Take a look at this. Do you enjoy making notebooks at home? But then you have the frustration of having them get so crazy, intertwined and bent. Ugh, has this happened to you? Well, don't fear. I have a new solution. Yes, a new solution to help you using your cling wrap. Now, this is the Glad value size. I've had this forever, it seems. It has the side on it for you to manually cut it and rip it. What do you do with it? You have tons of binding wires. You see, this is how I get mine. And I will have links to everything below. But I have several different sizes, and I usually just write what they are, the 2-to-1 pitch, how many inches. So the boxes are good, and I think most sellers try to do them okay. But then it's like, oh, looking at that picture, what happens? Well, this is the solution. Wrap them in saran wrap or cling wrap. Now this one right here shows that they are 3. When you need one, look at that. I use my Fisker scissors, non-stick, and I'll just snip, 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 cut them apart. And when you wrap them, and I'll show you that in a minute, you just leave a space and you can easily cut them, and the other ones stay wrapped. And look at that. Voila. Oh my goodness, so much easier. So as I mentioned, there are several different ways you can do single, you can do double, you can do many and include it in one package. But for this particular setup, I wanted to show you different things that I did. I did 2, and then I also did even a few more than that, 3 or 4. But the key is to leave a little space in between, so that way when you go to cut them, you'll have a little bit wiggle room when you're using your scissors to cut them. And you can see even how I'm holding them together, that they are not getting caught. You know, if you take 2 wires and do that, they'll easily get stuck together. So what we're going to do is to show you how I wrapped. And again, this is one where there are 4. So again, you can do single, you can do 1 at a time, you can do 2. And I, for my stash, I actually did a few. I did 1 individual, and then I did a few depending on the project I'm working on. So let's go ahead and look. So again, this is the Glad cling wrap, and just open it up to the front side. And what I usually do is to pull a few pieces or get it started. And again, that might be more frustration, just trying to get it started, but at least you know that that's generally the case with cling wrap. So again, once you get it started, have it where that it's the box is closed for you to easily tear it, and take your single or double. But in this case, we're going to show you how to do 1. Now you can do it on either side. You could do it with the wire sticking up or the wires face down. Pull out a decent amount and just start it little piece, and then wrap over. You can stop right there if you wanted to do 1 and then just cut. Okay, and that's what I'm going to show you. Just take your scissors and keep it connected to the box there so it can cut easier. And then you have your 1. And you can wrap that again one more time, and that's fine. And to cut it open, what I was explaining to someone else is that it reminds me of a lobster tail. And you would cut a lobster tail on the spine, snip right through it, so you can do the same. But I'm showing you here how with these 2 together in a normal situation without the saran or the cinch wrap, or actually the cling wrap, they would definitely combine and get stuck. But such a brilliant way to use this. So let me show you some of mine that I actually completed. And yeah, so much easier. As I mentioned, I did some individually and some in larger sections, but there you go. Let me know if it works for you, if you have any questions. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.